they are not like
all
merely
the time when I'm driving the car. Yeah.
बहुत से और भी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं वो भी बहुत सी चीजें ऐसे कहती हैं प्राइवेट लाइफ में लेकिन ऑन स्क्रीन में दे आर लाइक
Why? I am not bold. I am just normal.
No, I'm not saying that you're bold.
I'm just saying.
No, I never said that you're bold.
I remember very early on in life when I'd moved to Bombay. So, madam, bikini rola, bikini लाइए साथ में. मैं नहीं ला रही हूँ bikini, boss. Hi, my name is Kubra Seth and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. How cool is that?
Okay, so I'll give you reasons why other actresses they wouldn't do it. So there are so many cuss words that you're saying.
Only in one scene.
Only in one scene, but I'm sure that there'll be like other actresses will think like hundreds of times, and they're not like
all
merely.
the time when I'm driving the car. Yeah.
See, बहुत से और भी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं वो भी बहुत सी चीजें ऐसे कहती हैं प्राइवेट लाइफ में लेकिन ऑन स्क्रीन में दे आर लाइक
why? Now you tell me why. You've met so many
virgins and they are like
but
they
why?
don't know anything.
But you've interviewed so many wonderful people in your career. Why do you think this stands out for you? And
Like,
why
as
do you
far
think
as-
they wouldn't have done it?
See, but you know, I don't judge them. First
I
of
don't
all,
judge them either.
The fact is that each to his own.
Correct.
Because see, everyone has filters. Everyone wants to be seen in a certain manner. So if they're fine with a certain thing, if it works for them, it's fine.
So you're saying I was the only person who was fine with all of this?
I'm not saying that. I'm not.
Is there something wrong with me?
I'm not saying that. What I'm trying to say is that the conviction that you have done is something which is something else for the matter. But the fact is that there are so many actors who what they say in Hollywood for that matter, or like say European cinema, they are like say French cinema. They have these. There are actors or actresses. They're just walking like naked for that matter, and it doesn't seem anything.
Because they're
anything awkward to
comfortable
them.
in their own skin. No, I'm very comfortable in my skin.
So I'll give you an example. Say you're talking about city dropping. So I told you like country dropping. So I'll just give you one example. In real life, say I was in Vancouver and I just went for the swimming in a pool, and when I was there in the changing room, so I saw that like this gentleman totally naked over there, and it's very cool for them.
And that's how it should be.
It's very.
You're
cool
in a
for them.
sauna, for God's sake.
So it's like very. But for someone from India is something that we are not used to seeing.
I'm really sorry, but I am
So
like
it's
that
like
in the sauna because that's when I'm supposed to be comfortable.
Right.
I'm like that in my house. So I'll tell you what happened. Okay, I was very young.
I'm just saying the conditioning that we have.
Yeah, it's not like I was raised out of.
I was personally surprised to see. Okay.
Like no, I'm not
So-
like a test tube baby or something. I was not born out of my mother's womb. I was born very much in this country, raised in this country. I have the same conditioning as everybody else does, but I
Right.
guess I've just allowed myself to experience. I think I've allowed myself to experience life. Like, so I was very young, as I was telling you. I used to work and help my mum in her supermarket. So that was like our first, I don't know, introduction to the universe
That is where.
in Bangalore. So I was like this little child, about 12 years, 13 years old, you know. And I remember I used to have these two brothers who used to live in one of the buildings, and they used to come and say, you know, these Ukrainian boys who've just moved opposite our house, they're always walking around with no curtains in their house. They're just doing their thing, you know, displaying who they are to the world. And I remember this in my head. So eventually, when I did hear of this as an adult or saw this as an adult, I was like, cool. So it's not a myth. It happens in reality. And people are comfortable in their skin, and there's no harm with it. So I'm not trying. It's not larger than life to be comfortable in your skin. It's not larger than life. It's the basic. It's
fine, but the fact is that we are from the country where, forget what you're saying, the Ukrainian stuff. The fact is that women, they're not even allowed to enter certain temples for that matter.
Yeah.
They have other taboos, and they're put into burqas that you can't after like there are.
But so did the French government.
14
Even
and
they
15
said you're not allowed to wear burkinis. But you've got people who are speaking against it. There are protests, there are rallies, there's a dialogue, there's a conversation. I think it's a great time for us to have these conversations
But see,
where
French government, they have a, say, whatever they did obviously was wrong, but they had different reasons for that as well in terms of the whatever the terror attacks that they've had. So they had certain things. Obviously it was
Bikini?
wrong.
You're not
Obviously,
allowed
it was
to wear
wrong.
a
Obviously it
bikini.
was wrong, but what I'm trying to say, I'm talking about say India for the matter, and we have the way the conditioning is. Maybe it's a bit different. So we've had like really long discussion, and we've lost track where we started off. So let's, I think, come back to sacred games.
let's come back to sacred.
Let's come back to sacred games.
I am not bold. I am just normal.
No, I'm not saying that you're bold.
I'm just saying.
No, I never said that you're bold.
I'm
just
not
telling you-
experimental. I'm not crazy. I'm just normal.
No, I'm not saying anything of whatever you said. I just told you that why other actresses may have had like
You say
many,
because
and you know, I'll tell you something now. क्या होता है, कोई भी चीज एक बार start हो जाता है ना, there's some people who are trendsetters. That this is something that no one. अब बात तो सुनिए.
Not even trying to be a trendsetter.
हाँ?
I wasn't even trying to be a trendsetter.
What I'm trying to say is now there will be other actors and actresses. I have spoken to so many actors and actresses that will you be comfortable
And
in terms of some of them they said that they won't be, some of them they said that if the context. So I just spoke to Sai Tamankar,
Right.
who was here today itself,
Right.
and she said that if the context requires it, I'll do it.
Yay.
I don't have any issue with censorship for the matter. So there are all sorts of opinions which are there. So the fact is that once they have seen that yes, this is a possibility and it can be accepted, then there will be other people who
Fair
would
enough.
want to do what maybe you've started the. in
but
terms
I
of
would
the-
always
the
say
idea.
there's a disclaimer to that, and that is know who you're doing it with.
The
Be
makers.
aware, because being an actor and delivering a good performance, which I'm very grateful for, because that's what's led me to having this chat with you, right? But it's not my tall acclaim alone. It has been the coming together of a fantastic team of writers, lightmen, camera personnel, costumes, director,
Co-stars.
sound, co-stars. Everybody as a whole has made this an epic experience for me to work and a so-called outstanding product, as we see. So when you're choosing something, just don't be, because I remember very early on in life when I'd moved to Bombay, मैडम बिकिनी रोला बिकिनी लाइए साथ में. मैं नहीं ला रही हूँ बिकिनी बॉस. मुझे नहीं. I was never asked to audition, you know, with a robe. After a point, the director needs to have faith in the actor, and you do it because it's in that minute. So I don't know if I'm in a place to give advice, but I'm saying this with absolute clarity of my mind that there have been times when I've had these random phone calls saying bold bikini scene, young girl, hot, and I have never gone for those auditions. Never.
No, definitely.
So
See-
when you hear
see-
stuff like this, these are those red warning flags that you see on a beach where it's not safe to swim. So don't go.
Absolutely.
Hi, my name is Kubra Seth and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. How cool is that?